Bubba. Today feels like an appetizer type Saturday, so we're going to do a couple appetizers for you. I'm going to do teriyaki chicken wings and sweet and sour jalapeno poppers. So let's get started. We're going to start off by setting the oven at 375. We're going to spray our pan with some olive oil spray. And then we're going to place our chicken wings, and these are whole chicken wings that we're using today. Place these in a plastic bag, and then we're going to use our teriyaki sauce that we used, that we prepped from our Wednesday Hump Day Helper episode. So if you want to see how that was made, go to Cooking with Bubba, find that video, and you'll have the ingredients there. So we're going to pour this in, let this marinate while the oven is warming up. Smells wonderful. Would probably let this sit for a while, maybe an hour, let it really get the flavor in, but since it's appetizers, we're just going to go ahead and let it sit for about 15 minutes and we'll be done. Okay, the oven's ready to go. We put our chicken and our sauce out on the pan. So I'm about to place it in the oven. We're going to cook it at 375 for 1 hour and check it after that. We may have to increase cook it a little bit longer, but it should be good. Okay, while our chicken is cooking in the oven, we're going to move over to our jalapenos now. We're going to cut the ends off and then slice the jalapenos in half and then take the seeds out and then get the cheese ready, place that inside the jalapeno, wrap it in bacon, a little brown sugar, and place it in the oven. This is one of my daughter's favorites. Her 16th birthday's coming up, so we've got 16 jalapenos that we're working with in honor of her. Love you, Sophia. So we're going to cut the ends off. And one thing that you will notice when you do this, once you start to cut them in half, is that you probably need to do half of the jalapenos and take a break, because the odor, the hotness, it kind of permeates through the house. I'll be doing it over here. My son will be sitting on the couch, and all of a sudden, eyes water. You start sniffing because it's just so strong. And it's pretty much I bought it from Walmart, Aldi, Publix. It's all the same. It all kind of does the same thing. So do about half of it. Take a break, open some windows and doors, and then come back to it. Okay, so we've prepared our jalapeno poppers. Now we're going to prepare our cheese mix. We're doing 2 16-ounce cream cheese, and then we're going to put some shredded cheese in there, mix it up, and that will be what we fill our jalapeno poppers with. So we've let the cheese sit out for a little while, let all of it get soft, both the cream cheese and the cheddar cheese. That way it's easier to stir. You can put it in the microwave, which we may still try to do after we've mixed it up some, just to make sure, not that it's liquid, but that it is soft and easier to spread. Okay, our chicken's finished, so we're going to move over to our jalapeno poppers. We are going to spray our pan first. Set this at 350. We're going to cut our bacon. This is what we're going to wrap around our jalapeno poppers. cheese mixture ready to go. So we're going to pick up a jalapeno, get a spoonful, and just kind of fill it in. Scrape off a little excess here. Grab a piece of bacon. And then as you're wrapping it, kind of stretch it out a little bit so it'll kind of go around a couple of times. And then once everything's wrapped, we're going to sprinkle it with our brown sugar. Sprinkling brown sugar over the poppers. And then we're going to place them in the oven. In about 12 minutes, we'll be ready to eat.